So, ladies and gentlemen, it's Sunday evening and I hope you had a great weekend, okay? Welcome to a brand new episode here, live stream, because we are early, the weekend is still on, but we are looking already into the things that will move the markets on Monday. And tomorrow, the 26th of April, is actually a very important day because Tesla will announce its Q1 numbers. And let me just welcome a couple of people here. We have people from Germany, US, Seattle, Denmark, Canada, Netherlands. We have even people from Waikiki in Hawaii. We have people from Germany. We have people from Poland. We have people from UK as well. We have people from Italy, France, US and San Francisco as well, Singapore. So as you see, all around the world. Yeah, what's going on? I mean, I think tomorrow, and after you smash the like button, I would really appreciate if we are looking together into the Tesla shares, because I think tomorrow can be quite big day for Tesla shares, okay? Tomorrow after the market closes is the announcement of the result or the earnings of Tesla of the last quarter. So usually, as we know, the stock can be quite volatile in either direction, okay? So if the earnings are much better than expected, then we're having definitely a huge push onto the stock. And if we are seeing, a little bit disappointment into the numbers, then the other way around, right? Or even the disappointment can drag on into the earnings call that is after the earnings numbers release. So, it will be a very fun day. And I think also because it's the last time or the last hours during the trading day to be able to buy Tesla shares, I think also this will bring, the Tesla shares up. But let's have a look where we are right now, somewhere at 729. And in today's Tesla Sundays vlog, I already said, the trend is definitely up. Generally since months, it's definitely up. And also here the short-term trend is up as well. You can see also we crossed through the 50 moving average, so this is bullish as well. But what is really important during this earnings, okay? What we need to watch for, not only the numbers, but what are the things that people are looking into it. And for once, we need to see, okay, what is expected, guys, okay? What is expected by Wall Street to see, okay, which expectation we need to beat, because it's all the people are caring about, okay? Expectations, and they see, oh, wow, we beat the expectation by 30%, by 50%. This would be great and bullish for the stock. So first, we need to look into the expectation. The consensus here is about $78, okay? If we are increasing that, $78 and a revenue of $10.24 billion. And the whisper number, the earnings whisper number, which is, their indicator what really can happen, is $86. So already here we are beating it by less than 10%. So this would be already bullish. I have some people see even $90. I personally would love to see more than $1. But if this is realistic, I don't know, because still, the problem is that in the profitability of Tesla, we have the issue, or this disadvantage rather said, that the Model X and S was not sold last quarter because of the remodeling. Okay, so this means that we have seen maybe much more cars sold but with less profit. So let's see. Okay, let's see. That's definitely something that we need to watch. Moreover, if you are looking here, this is an article that was done here by Bloomberg, and they just showed us here how the stock reacted after quarters. Okay, so let's say here, for example, Q1 2015, the stock moved 2-3% up, and this is basically down. Okay, so here's the average. This is basically the gray is the average between, let's say 7% up and 7% down is an average of Tesla shares move, because we had also some quarters, like for example Q3 2019, where the stock went up 17% after earnings. And here, for example, we had the Q1, which was a very bad one for 2018. The stock lost about 7%, and then Q2 was of 2018 was then 17% up, and usually you see Q1s are not so great because the whole auto industry is not so great. It's a very challenging quarter for the car industry, and that's why maybe we can beat those sloppy or those small expectations. Okay, this is what I'm hoping for tomorrow. Now let's further dive in. I found also this is quite interesting how much, let us enlarge this a little bit so you can see it actually. So this is estimations that I found where people said, okay, what they think or what they calculate Tesla will do 2022 in earnings or revenue, rather said. Okay, so you can see here that there is the slightest or the lowest one is here with you cannot see it. Let me just move this a little bit here. So here, the lowest expectation by SWS Research is 44 billion. Last year, we did about, I think, $31 billion. So you see here also a 50% increase on the very, very low basis for next year, over the next couple of 2 years. And on the higher side, with Piper Sandler, one of the biggest bulls on Wall Street for Tesla, they see even a almost $90 billion revenue, which would be the 3x almost what we are seeing right now. Okay, so this is also quite interesting data that I found, which can be seen in the internet recently. Now, what are the risks for the earnings call? And I think that the risks are something that is everybody is fighting with, even the traditional car manufacturer companies, which is the shortage of chips. Okay, shortage of chips can be quite depressing for the future business of Tesla. So you can see here VW, for example, just warned about a big production hit as chips are getting very much shortened. Okay, so in the Financial Times, for example, VW said that the car maker's Spanish brand Seat says losses likely if supply chain woes bring more stoppages. Okay, so this can be a quite significant factor if they are saying at the earnings call, hey, listen, we are not getting enough numbers of chips, so that's why we need or we cannot produce as much cars as possible, and therefore we are seeing a disadvantage and cannot reach numbers. Okay, now on the other side, guys, remember they still haven't gave us outlook how many cars they want to produce, the range that it is there. By the way, I see just now we need to put the studio in Tesla red, okay? So you see that we don't have a guidance for the upcoming year or for this year for Tesla for the numbers of deliveries, okay? So there was not guideline where Tesla or Elon Musk said, okay, we want to reach, 1 million cars, 800,000 cars. And the range is between like 650 until 1 million cars for this year. Last year, remember, they just did 500,000 cars. So it would be 100% increase. So it stays very interesting, guys, okay? So maybe we see that also as a potential if they see, we will produce 1 million cars, or they will say, oh, I'm sorry, but because of the shortage of the chips, we might see a lower potential of cars delivered. Okay, so it could be a risk as well as a gaining factor for the stock afterwards, okay, depending on the statement. So that's another risk. And other ways, there's some articles about energy, but I will definitely make a whole new vlog about that, because I think it's really, really important to understand the really big implication of power and power solutions by Tesla, because I think this is a totally other topic, so nothing compared to our kind of earnings talks, okay? So there's also an article of Electric saying that Tesla start offering free power walls to people with big price increases on solar roof, okay? So they are doing things, as you know, the solar roof, which is more durable, looks great, and saves some money to the owners, very easily to install, and it looks amazing, obviously. And now they increase the price, and some people will get there for a free power wall, okay? So, but again, this is power, and I think this is a great way to make people and customers happy, okay? So I'm super excited. The stock can go tomorrow, even to 1,000. I have seen in the chat people are saying, maybe 1,000 is possible. Yeah, why not? Nothing is impossible, and therefore I'm wishing you a fantastic Sunday, or the best fantastic rest of Sunday that you ever had. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I say thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.